If sine b is equal to 1 by 2, find all other trigonometric ratio. So here I'll just draw the figure for you people. As here b is given, sine b, so I'll write b here. Okay, here is my arc. So here I will take as a c, and here I will take as a a. Okay, so this is what hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. Sine b 1 by 2. So sine b nothing but what? 1 by 2. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular here 1, hypotenuse is 2. Okay. So again you have to go for subtraction. So BC is equal to 2 square minus 1 square. There is 4 minus 1. There is root 3 is the answer here. Root 3. Now find it fast. I'll just write the answer here. Cos B. You know the cos B is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is root 3 by 2. Here tan B. Tan B is perpendicular by base. 1 by root 3. So now I think I'm able to give the other answer like sine B nothing but cosec B, reciprocal cosec B, 2 by 1. This is second B, 2 by root 3. Only reciprocal you should do for this. Cot B is equal to root 3 by 1. If your first